Hello everyone, Smart Zen is back again with a new video. We have previously made videos on how to get a lifetime free hosting, also on how to get a free domain name and some more technical based videos. If you have tried those videos, now it's time to get it live. Actually, this video is a part of building website for free series. In this video, we will make our website developed in localhost live. So for that you should follow certain series of steps. Let us begin. First of all, we have to install WordPress on our hosting site. I have a hosting from Infinity Free, so I will log into that website. Infinity Free. Here it is. Now I have to click on the client area page. Here I have to log in with my Gmail address. If you have not signed up yet, you can sign up with your Gmail ID and it will redirect you to your Gmail to verify your account. Now I will click on sign up. Finally, I have reached on the client area page. Here I need to create a new account, so I will click on create account. It does give a free domain, but I have a custom domain of my own, which I have got from register.com.np from Nepal. Now I have to give my domain name here, and it is sudeep57.com.np. Now click on search. Now account name is automatically generated here. Now click on I am not sure and click on create account. Finally, your account is created. Now let's go to control panel. Okay, I have to agree on terms and conditions. Now the panel will load. Now from the menus, find Substacular App Installer, and here it is under software. It will take you to a page. Now you have to click on WordPress and install. Now let's go down. Here you need to create a strong password, and you need to remember this password whenever you want to log into your site. Now let me give my email address here, and finally go down and click on install. Okay, it's ready now. Now you can see the dashboard of WordPress. Okay. Here our website is created, but this is not the content that I want to upload here. So now I want to transfer the new website that I have created on my local host to the live server here. In order to do so, I had to install plugins similar in my local host and hosting site. Okay, now go to dashboard. Now click in plugins and add new plugins. Now here you can type all-in-one. Okay, now we will install all-in-one WP migration plugin in both localhost and server side. I am recently in server side, so now I will install it. And then activate it. Okay, we are done. Now let me install the same plugin in our localhost. Now let me sign in to localhost site. Okay, now user and password and click on login. Before installing the plugins, let me visit the site how it looks. Oh, it's like this. It's a demo site and I haven't done anything on it. This is the site I want to make live, but recently it is on localhost site. Now I have to install plugins in my localhost, so I will return into my dashboard and click on plugins and add new plugins, and again I will search for all-in-one and click on install. And activate it. Now it's ready. Now let's go to all-in-one WP migration or plugin in your dashboard, and here there is an option for extract to, and now click on files. Now your file is ready and download localhost. Let me keep that in my desktop. Now, okay, it's downloaded. Now go to your service site and click on your website name and go to dashboard, and from dashboard go to plugins, all-in-one migration plugin, and from there click on import. Here you can see import from button. Here click on the button and click files. Now let me choose this one and open it. Oh, here we have to increase the capacity of our importer, so close this and click on this option over here. Now go here and click on basic and download it. For making it easier for you, you can rename it as extra size. It has been downloaded now. Now we have to update our plugins. Now go to plugins and click on add new. On upload plugin and choose a file. So from desktop extra site.jpg and install now. And now activate the plugins. Now again you have to click in all-in-one WP migration plugin. Here choose import, from where you will be redirected to this page. Now click in import from option and choose files. Now to your site here. Now we can upload our site. Now finally everything is done and I have closed every pages over here. Now let me start it from afresh. Let me click on my website and it is sudeep57.com.nb. Okay, it is live right now and everything is free up to here. Guys, you can also create your website live. Thanks for watching our video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, you can subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant notifications.